I said you and I said, so Nydia's been in the business for 30 plus years. I've been in the
I've been in it since 91.
So together we've got well over 60 years of experience in the business.
What is
So who is Hebert Insurance? For a very long time, Hebert Insurance was just me. I've been doing this for well over 30 years. Opened up my first office in April of 2019 and now have a staff of 4 to take care of you and your employee benefit needs. That's all we do here at Hebert Insurance. We only do employee benefits. We don't dabble in individual coverage or Medicare. We specialize in employee benefits because if an employer doesn't get it right, if they are not in compliance with the law, it could mean pretty substantial fines for them. So we try to really stay focused in that arena to make sure that our clients are in compliance. Nydia Hafer, she's been in my office and been with me since I started 2 years ago, but I've actually worked with Nydia for many years. She has just about as many years in the industry as I do. So put us together, we have over 60 plus years in employee benefits. Andy, also in my office, has been in the insurance business probably, I think, for the last 15 years. She started in Houston and then moved to Corpus and found out that our little city, sparkling city by the sea, is the place to be, and decided to stay here. And I brought her on board as some talent that is really going to help you become your own patient advocate. Andy gets involved in claims. She'll get on the phone with doctor's offices, provider relations, pharmacies, and just get the job done as far as claims go. Last but definitely not least is Patrick. Patrick is the newest addition to Hebert Insurance Group, and Patrick is actually my baby. He is my succession plan, if you will. I want to pass this on to him eventually one day and leave you in good hands. So Patrick is now currently studying to take his state exam, so we want to just support him and wish him the best in that, and hopefully he passes the first time. I don't think anybody ever picks insurance as their career. It kind of picked me. I was a single mother and I was working 2 jobs and needed to focus on my son, so I decided to find an 8 to 5 job. And so I answered an ad in the Caller Times. Everybody knows the Caller Times, good old Caller Times. For a customer service rep, and did that for a couple years. Then they kind of promoted me into the sales department, and the rest is history. Went to go work in the insurance carrier world, did that for a little while, and then when the insurance company decided to leave the state of Texas, I went from the insurance world into the broker world and started doing what I do now. And I'm super passionate about the insurance industry. I know whenever I do employee meetings and sit down with the employees, like, it's the last thing they want to talk about. Benefits. Nobody wants to talk about insurance because it's confusing and nobody understands it. But it is my passion, and I approach it from an educational standpoint where I teach my employees about their benefits, how best to utilize them, give them resources that they can use to get lower cost drugs, educate themselves on their benefits. If you have a health savings account, what is a health savings account? What can you spend those dollars on? Those kinds of things. So we approach insurance from a teaching perspective and help our employees become their own patient advocate. My name is Laura Hebert. I'm the president of Hebert Insurance Group. If you value what you've seen today, if you've learned a little something, please check us out on our social media. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.